Hi! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to teach you how to make money by becoming travel agent and generating thousands of dollars per month. Stay tuned with us till the end of the video and you will never guess how easy to generate such an income as a travel agent. Travel agents are professionals who help people plan and book their travel arrangements. They provide advice on destinations, hotels, flights, car rentals, and other travel-related services. They can also help you find the best deals for your vacation and save you time and money. Travel agents are knowledgeable about the latest travel trends, regulations, and policies so they can make sure that your trip goes smoothly. With their expertise, they can help make your vacation stress-free and enjoyable. Becoming a travel agent is a great way to make money while exploring the world. It is an exciting job that allows you to work with people and help them plan amazing trips. As a travel agent, you have the opportunity to work with different types of clients, from individuals looking for a family vacation to large corporations planning corporate events. You can also specialize in certain areas such as cruises, adventure tours, or luxury vacations. With the right knowledge and skills, you can make money as a travel agent and have an exciting career in the industry. If you have a passion for travel and helping others, becoming a travel agent may be the perfect job for you. As a travel agent, you can earn money by helping people plan their dream vacations or business trips. You can also make money by finding the best deals on flights, hotels, and other vacation packages. So if you're ready to start earning extra income as a travel agent, let's start.
Number 1. Book flights and hotels.
One of the most common ways to earn money as a travel agent is by booking flights and hotels for others. If you are looking to make money by booking flights and hotels, there are a few different options available. You can choose to work with an agency or book through another website such as Expedia or Orbitz rather than work with an agency. Booking through these websites will give you more flexibility in terms of working arrangements, but it may not be worth the extra time it will take for you to find the best deals on flights and hotels if the pricing has already been negotiated.
Number 2. Customized packages.
Another way to earn money as a travel agent is by creating customized packages for your clients. If you are comfortable with pricing and selecting the best hotels, airlines, and attractions to offer your clients, this is an easy way to make extra income as a travel agent while still having flexibility in terms of working arrangements. However, you may find it difficult to create a package without specific knowledge of the industry and without researching what your clients want.
Number 3. Join an online travel agent network.
If you don't have any experience or are too busy to use your own discretion when booking travel for others, you can join one of the online travel agent networks that are available. You can browse their website and search for customers who would like particular flight and hotel packages so that you can work with them on their needs as a travel agent from start to finish. For example, if someone wants an all-inclusive vacation package for 1 week in Mexico, you can find them on the website and then book that package for them.
Number 4. Work as a trip planner.
If you have a positive attitude and enjoy people, consider becoming a trip planner for an organization such as STA Travel or another opportunity out there to become part of a travel agency team. There are different levels of experience in this field, and depending on your personality, you could end up working in many different capacities like customer service, reservations, or marketing.
Number 5. Become a promoter for small business.
Once you have gained good credibility as a travel agent, you can start earning extra income by collaborating with small businesses to recommend their business such as restaurants or merchandise shops to the tourist. You may request a fixed monthly charge or commission-based income once sales are generated from your client. The demand for travel agents is growing as more and more people are looking to explore the world. A travel agent can help make the process of planning a trip much easier, as they have access to insider knowledge, resources, and contacts. From booking flights and hotels to arranging activities and tours, a travel agent can help make sure that people's trip is both enjoyable and stress-free. The most in-demand places for travel agents are those that offer unique experiences or have a high concentration of tourists. Popular tourist destinations such as London, Paris, Tokyo, New York City, and Los Angeles all attract large numbers of travelers each year. Other popular destinations include beach resorts in the Caribbean or Mediterranean regions, safari trips in Africa, sightseeing trips throughout Europe, or cultural tours in Asia or South America. As a travel agent, it is important to avoid certain pitfalls that can cost you time and money. From not researching the destination to not being aware of local regulations, there are many mistakes that can be made while planning trips for your clients. It is essential to be informed and knowledgeable about the different destinations and services you offer in order to provide the best possible experience for your customers. One of the common mistakes many travel agents make is not researching a destination before they send their clients. They might assume that they know the city because they have been to it before, or because it gets very little tourist traffic. However, this lack of research can lead to issues when planning a trip. For example, if the area is dangerous, the customers are more likely to cancel their trip. If a certain service such as massage or food is not available in the area, you should be able to provide alternatives for your clients if necessary. In order to avoid these mistakes and ensure your business continues growing, you should always do your research before sending customers for the tour. Did you enjoy our video? Please show your support by hitting the like button below and subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make a side income and generate hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. See you in the next video.